All right. So, as y'all can see, what's in front of me, we got the new InMotion P6, and it's time to do some unboxing. All right, so we pull these things out from the bottom of the box. And this one is out. How does this work? You pinch it. Yep. Pinch and pull. Those other ones got a little messed up during transport. The box seems to be leaning this way. The box is open. We'll put that right there just in case anything is tipping over. All right. First things first, we got our P6 manual here. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and read this later on. I'm gonna have to go ahead and download the InMotion app actually. But yes, so we have our manual. Jesus Christ. We got a big ass charger. Oh my goodness. But, you know, when you have a big wheel, 235 volt wheel, well, you're going to need a big charger. Wow, this charger has to be like 10 pounds. I could not imagine riding with this inside of my backpack. So this is definitely, definitely a home charger. We're going to go ahead and put this over here next to my Lynx and Jelly Beans Falcon. This is the charging station over here. So we'll go ahead and put that over there. Hold on to this box. Put my manual in there. All right. So we got here, we got some little tools. Looks like some Allen keys, some extra little screws. I'm not sure what those go for yet, but I'm sure the manual will tell me. Like some spacers for changing the wheels. Yes, just some little tools. Some handy little tools, you know, keep in the toolbox or in the backpack or something. Stick those inside that box. See, good reason to keep this box. All right, now let's go ahead and expose her. There she is in all her divine beauty. My very own InMotion P6, fresh out the box. Let's go ahead and pull this plastic off of her. Ooh-wee. Yeah, this box got beat up a bit, but the wheel is looking good. Oh, these pedals are looking good. These spikes and these pedals look like you will not be going anywhere with these things on. There. I don't know if you can tell, but the pedal has like a little curvature to it, so it's not completely flat. I like that. Kickstand. Alright. See how easy this trolley handle is to release with just one hand. Not bad at all. Put it back down with one hand. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and take her out this portion of the box. Let's see how heavy she is. So this is my way that I normally move my wheel. Rest it on the leg, roll it back. Look at that. Put it back on the kickstand. I saw another video where a guy said that he was unboxing his P6 and he said that there was no kickstand. Sir, that's what that is right there. That's your kickstand. Oh wow. She looking good, Bo. She is looking good. Velcro already on. Velcro is already pre-attached. As y'all can see, my wheel did not come with the stock pads. Next Gen Mobility is sending some sync pads separately, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to be able to ride, because I've got some plates on there with pads on it, and I've also got some pads right here. So I can go ahead and slap those bad boys on. I'm gonna have to figure out my spacing and everything like that and stuff. But yes, I've got pads. The tire, from what I've been hearing everybody say, these tires suck. So I want to go ahead and get those changed out ASAP. I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on. And she is on. Scan the QR code to download the app. Let's do it. Let's take y'all through this with me. Alright, so we got her turned on. I got the InMotion app, and I'm going ahead and I'm uploading the new firmware right now. And but yes, she's just a thing of beauty. And while that's loading up, I'm gonna go ahead and get this area cleaned up.